Heartbreaking issue. Veterans die by suicide at a rate much higher than non-veteran Americans. That's why on this last day of Suicide Awareness Month, KREX5's Lena Takata learned about resources in the community to help both veterans and their families. She joins us now live by the VA Medical Center with the story. Lena?
Rob, there's no single cause for suicide, so there's no single solution. That's why organizations like the Vet Center and the VA work together to come up with ways to help serve veterans and the people who love them. Suicide is a global health issue. About 800,000 people die by suicide every year around the world, according to the World Health Organization. In the United States, the suicide rates are rising. In 2018, a little over 48,000 people died by suicide. Veterans die by suicide at a rate of 1.5 times higher than non-veterans, according to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs.
Seeing the death of your friends or seeing civilians who get killed, seeing things that most people shouldn't have to see. It leads to people having nightmares, having difficulty sleeping.
In Grand Junction, organizations like the Vet Center and the VA work to help veterans at risk for suicide. They offer services like readjustment and mental health counseling.
Dealing with post-traumatic stress disorder, especially in Iraq and Afghanistan.
But you don't have to be a health professional to help. The VA has a course called SAVE that people can take to learn how to help veterans at risk. And during the pandemic, it can be taken online right from the comfort of your own home.
I had a veteran who I felt was in crisis, so I called the crisis line, and they helped me help the veteran find the resources that she needed in order to get back up on her feet.
So healthcare professionals, community members, and veterans themselves can work together to save lives.
There's multiple resources out there, and there are a lot of people in this valley who do care and want to help to the best that they can.
If you're a veteran facing a crisis, call 1-800-273-8255 and press 1. The Veterans Crisis Line is available 24/7. Head to our website, westernslopenow.com, for details. First on the Western Slope and live from the VA Medical Center, I'm Lena Takata, KREX 5 News. Rob?
Thank you, Lena. Meanwhile, a suicide prevention program in Colorado has released an annual report showing the number of